All right, what up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Another episode of the Crypto Breakdown. I'm your host, Ryan Mehta. Coin of the day, XRP. This coin's on fire right now. Can this coin 2x, 5x, 10x? I sure hope so, because I think, like always, XRP is going to be the greatest shorting opportunity. So it's pumping. Let's dive deep. Taking a look at XRP tokenomics, we can see that XRP currently has a circulating supply of 49 billion coins out in circulation. Price point is at 45 cents. If we take the circulating supply, we times that by the price, it gives a market cap of $22 billion. I mean, that's massive. So for this coin to go up even 100%, the market cap would need to be 44 billion. So if we take a look at the tokenomics and you invested in XRP today and the price is 45 cents and the market cap is 22 billion, I always round to keep it simple. For you to 2x in that investment and for price to hit 90 cents, the market cap would need to be $44 billion. For you to 10x in that investment and for price to hit $4.50, the market cap would need to be $222 billion. 20x, $9, $444 billion. And for you to 100x on an XRP investment for the price of XRP to hit $45, the market cap would need to be $2.2 trillion. So if we jump over here just for a second, we take a look. Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in the world, the first largest smart contract blockchain in the world, was only able to hit a $575 billion market cap. And that was with what, 4,000 projects built on top of it, insane demand, NFTs going to the moon, the whole 9 yards. XRP hasn't put in a new all-time high since 2017 or January of 2018. So every investor that's ever invested in XRP since 2017 has pretty much been at an L. So let's dive into these charts, because if it pumps up a little bit more and breaks above that 4-hour time frame, shorts, baby. So if we take a look at Lunar tracks cryptocurrencies based off of popularity. We can see that over the last month, not much over here for as far as social media, not horrible, but check out the last week. XRP's hot right now. So in the last 7 days, social mentions are up 34%, engagements up 82.6%, social contributions are up 28.9%, spam volumes up 12%, market caps up 36%, bullish sentiments up 44%, bearish sentiments up 10%, Reddit volumes up 81%, YouTube volume is up 290%, and volatility is up 103%. News volume is also up 32%. So XRP is hot right now, getting a lot of media attention. Now, if we swing over to Masari, we can track a few things like return on investment. If you had invested in XRP 1 year ago, you'd be down 56.65%. 3 months ago, you'd be up 18%. 1 month ago, you'd be up 25%. 7 days, you'd be up 33%. In the last 24 hours, you'd be up 11.88%. XRP put in a cycle low of 11 cents on March 12th of 2020. It is currently up 299% from its cycle low. It put in an all-time high of $3.30 on January 4th of 2018. And it is currently still down from its all-time high on January 4th of 2018 by 86%. So that's what I was talking about. Any investor that bought into XRP in 2018 is still down money. Now, according to Masari, Ripple or XRP has an inflation rate of 26.42%. It has a stock to flow of a 3.78. And in the next 10 years, they're going to release another 50 billion coins. So the entire supply of XRP, if they released all those coins today, that would mean that the price of XRP would instantly drop to 22 cents, give or take. So we double this, say 99 billion, because it's always supply times price equals market cap. So if the market cap is $22 billion and nobody else invests any more money into XRP and they dump another 50 billion coins into supply, that would instantly depreciate the price of that asset by 50%. So the longer that it takes for XRP to run up, the harder and the harder it gets, because that much more money needs to come into this project. Now, before we keep going, I want you to ask yourself a question. We have, what, 20,000 cryptocurrencies to invest in. And XRP is pretty much in bed with the world governments, the World Economic Forum. They're working on being the rails for a central bank digital currency. So if I were to line up the top 100 crypto assets and I were to say, hey, what type of asset do you want to support by putting your money into this asset, because you can make money by investing into so many different assets? Are you the type of person that wants to invest in something that's literally helping pave the way for a central bank digital currency? Now, I don't know if that's true. This is all speculative, and this is just allegedly what we hear, that XRP is working on being that border rails or the payment rail for a central bank digital currency. Now, I personally am the type of person that I like to put my money in things that I believe in, that I want to support. The last thing that I think crypto was designed to do was to help create a central bank digital currency. I mean, it goes against everything that crypto stands for. So I'm just curious on, even if XRP went up 100x and it made you personally 100x. And it made you personally $1 million. If a central bank were to be introduced into the world, do you understand what that would do to everything and how detrimental that would be to all of our livelihood? So I can put my money into an asset and make 100x on 20 different assets. Why would I want to take that chance or do it on something like XRP? Just seems kind of like the last type of crypto, and it's not even a cryptocurrency. That's the craziest part about XRP. I don't know why so many people want to support it. I just want to short it. So if we take a look at upcoming events, according to CoinMarketCal, there is no big news or media upcoming events that we see, or their team's not keeping it updated over here on CoinMarketCal. The next site to check out is CoinCodex. CoinCodex uses machine learning and AI indicators to make price predictions, and it's normally pretty accurate. So over the 5-day period, they're saying 44 cents. Over 30 days, they're saying down to 39 cents. Over 3 months, they're saying down to 34 cents. Over 6 months, they're saying down to 38 cents. And over 1 year, they're saying XRP is going to go up to 53 cents. Now, these machine learning and AI indicators, they go based off of previous price performance. So according to our current XRP price predictions, the value of XRP is predicted to drop by 0.59% and reach a target of 44 cents by September 27th of 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is neutral while the fear and greed index is showing extreme fear. XRP recorded 17 out of 30 green days with an average price velocity of 5.49% over the last 30 days. Taking a look at internet growth signals, internet says goodbye, Google says strong buy, Facebook says strong buy, and mobile growth says buy. Taking a look at the market sentiment for XRP, surprisingly, 68% of the market is bullish on XRP while 32% is bearish. And if we take a look at your highlights versus risk analysis, it has outperformed 67% of top 100 crypto assets, so it has a D as far as it goes as performance. It outperformed Bitcoin and Ethereum, which every single asset has. It's recorded 17 out of 30 green days. It has high liquidity based on market cap. It's trading on Binance and it's trading with the Canadian dollar. Risk analysis says prices dropped significantly over the past year. It's down 53%. It's trading below the 200-day simple moving average, and it is down 89% from its all-time high. If you guys haven't saw my crypto shorting strategy, the $1 million crypto shorting strategy, I swear this thing is freaking flawless, but you have to understand that you have to follow the rules, and you only get a few trades every couple months. So it's not something that you trade constantly, but when you do trade, you can trade bigger, and it has like a, I don't want to put numbers out there, but like a 99% win ratio. If you go back and back test this, if you can show me an area where this would have failed at, or where you would have lost the trade scaling into a short, drop me a DM on Twitter, because I don't think you can. If you have a big enough bankroll. Just watch this video. Do it now. So if we jump over here on the charts and we take a look at XRP on the 4-hour time frame, we're right here at the 64 level. So what I'm going to be looking for is XRP on the 4-hour time frame only to be breaking above the 70 level. The second that it breaks above this 70 level, I 100% will be sailing into massive size shorts. I mean, unlike anything you've ever seen. XRP just broke through this major area resistance. So seeing how we don't have much resistance over here, that's saying that the next area, the next key area where I'm expecting XRP to stop at would be 55 cents. Now that would just be like the greatest opportunity ever, because you're going to hit resistance at 55 cents. You're going to hit resistance again at 71 cents. And then you're going to hit resistance again up here at 89 cents to 90 cents zone. So that being said, if I waited to start shorting XRP till it hit 55 cents, I would be looking at a scale up target of about 62 tops to 100%. So if you can scale up to 100%, and if XRP got up to $1.12 or $1.20, say, the market cap would be like $66 billion. So these are my price predictions for XRP. I think we could easily see XRP almost guaranteed, with how hype and hopium it is right now, to hit that 55-cent target. From there, I'm gonna be looking to build in short positions. And if it breaks down, I'll have to take profits. If it keeps going up, is what I'm hoping on, then I'll continue to add to my shorting position, because if we go back, if you would have started to short XRP here on this, all the way at very bottom here, and it ran up here to 70%. You could have started to scale into a short from absolute bottom. By the time it got up here, your entry price would have came all the way up to 92 cents. And then you would have caught the breakdown. Like, there's not a time right here. You could have scaled all the way up. I mean, literally, if you would have started shorting XRP at 53 cents, you could have scaled up 170%. It would have got really, really expensive, but you would have still been in that trade. By the time it broke down, your entry position would have been all the way up to like $1.25, because every time you double your position, it just brings up your entry point, So if you got money, you can just keep adding and adding and adding. I don't see how you can lose shorts. It's crazy that nobody else is talking about this strategy. You just got to have the balls to do it. And that leads us to my next point. Before you get all gung-ho and moonboy on me and try this strategy, because I know who I'm talking to. And the degenerates who don't want to spend a week doing research and they just want to just pitch their portfolio at some crazy wild trading strategy. Guys, BYBIT has a test net, so you got to do me a favor. If you're going to test this strategy out, test it with play money several times. You actually have to turn 10,000 in play money into 100,000 in play money before you can actually start trading with this strategy. And you can't complain and come and say you lost, because I'm going to go, hey, send me a screenshot of your BYBIT test net. Let me see where you turn 10,000 into 100,000 with this strategy. So if you haven't, and you're not willing to put the time and the practice in, then you don't get to complain that you got wrecked. So it's that simple. So if you guys want to support the channel, BYBIT affiliate links down in the description. Much appreciated. So just based off of how Ripple pumps and how Ripple dumps, I would assume we're going to pump up again and then come right back down. But the cool part about scaling into these shorts is it doesn't have to come all the way back down, right? If I scale into a short and Ripple hits a target of say it even hits $1, what's it going to do? You think it's just going to keep going up and never retrace? It's not about shorting and then riding it all the way back down to bottom. It's about scaling up into a position, and then when it retraces, because everything's going to pull back and retrace when the market cools off for a second, that's where we're looking to take profit. So if it scales up to 90 cents, I would expect it to pull back and probably find support at 60 cents or maybe even 70 cents and then break up again. And then we can look for more shorting positions after that. But for now, I think Ripple's on fire right now, so I'm sure it's going to keep running up. So do me a favor, guys, drop some comments below and let me know what you think about XRP. Do you think it's going to be the next central bank digital currency, or the backbone, the payment rails to the next central bank digital currency? If so, are you really the type of person that wants to support that type of asset? If that's where they're going, is that something you really want to support? And if that's not something they're going to do, since this is a public blockchain or a public open source protocol, it would be awesome to see something in writing from the XRP team saying that they are never going to support a central bank digital currency in any way, shape, or form. It'd be pretty sweet to hear them say that. Because if not, it looks like they're setting up to be a central bank digital currency. And why would anybody want to support that? But I don't know. It's all allegedly just my best guess. Drop some comments below and let me know what you guys think.